Hello guys, what is up? It is Angel. Make sure you guys subscribe and let's get into this tutorial. So I start off with a whitening strip and I like to do this at least 3 times a week. So we are clipping our hair up and we're going to get into the skincare. I love French skincare so much, and since my breakout these products have been helping me, so I went in with La Roche and now Biafine, and I just moisturize my face and make sure that you get your neck as well. Then we're going to moisturize our lips. I'm using this YSL Beauty lip little gloss thing. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Shout out to YSL Beauty. And also I'm going to be going in with Fenty concealer for my lids to prime them, and then we're going to be going in with the Secrets of the Pharaoh palette, and I'm going to be doing a gold lid. I feel like the gold lid just brings out my rings. It makes your brown eyes pop, and then you go in and contrast it with a nice black eyeliner. And what I like to do is set the shape of my eyes because my eyes are hooded, and then I like to just fill it in and make sure that that wing is nice and straight, nice and accurate. Then we're going to fill in our brows. The way I like to do it is do the underbrow, then I go over, and then after that I fill it in a bit and then comb it out. Next, we're going to be going back in with that Fenty concealer or any lighter tone concealer, and I'm going to just be covering up any blemishes. And you guys know I was breaking out, so I had a lot to cover. And we're going to blend that out and go in with another concealer that's more of your shade, and then blend that out. I typically don't like to wear foundation every day. I like to just wear concealer because I feel like it gives you more of a natural complexion, and I love that. Next, we're going to be going in with this e.l.f. bronzer palette. I love it, and I gave you guys a little face map to know where I like to put my colors, and you're just going to hit your cheekbones, your forehead, your nose, all of that good stuff. Then going in with lashes, I like to just line mine right on top of my black eyeliner and let it dry. Next, we're going to be going in with freckles. And funny story, one time when I was working at my old job, Tyler Creator came by and he was like, "Oh my god, I love your freckles." And I was like, "They're fake." And he was like, "Why did you tell me that?" It was really funny. But yes, my freckles are fake and I love to do them. I've been doing these so long, and you just blend them out. And then I also like to add a little bit of the freckle product to my beauty marks. Next, we're going to be going in with a pink blush. I love this type of pink tone, and I also like to put it on top of my freckles to set them. Going back in with our bronzer palette, I'm going to hit those cheekbones one more time to just really snatch our faces up. And we're going back to our palette to add in a silver, white, light colored inner corner. And I'm going to put that same color on my brow bone, my nose, bridge of my nose, and I like to just use that same color on my highlight because I feel like it brings in all of the colors on your face. Going in with a blue under eyeliner, I love to do this because it also helps brown eyes pop, and sometimes I like to use purple. Next, we're going to be taking the Lancome mascara and just getting in on all of our lashes and helping them look nice and black to make our eyes pop as well. My go-to lip liner is a deep rosy color or a dark brown, and I like to just line my lips and make sure that they're a nice shape. Going in with this Dior red lipstick that I've been obsessed with because since I've been in Paris, I don't know why reds have just been calling my name. So put that on, and after that I used my Fenty hair edge control, and I am obsessed with Fenty hair, guys. It is so good, and shout out to Rihanna and her team for sending me this. I literally love Fenty products in general, but this edge control, this hairline is amazing. So I'm going in, I'm just swooping up the baby hairs and putting them on fleek. Now I'm just shaking out my hair. I like to put some hair perfumes or oils in it, and now you're done with your look. Oh wait, I forgot. I have a teeth whitening strip. So we're going to take this out. By the time you're done with your tutorial, you're going to be ready to go, and all products will be listed in the description. Alright guys, so I'm all done with the hair and makeup. We're going to do a little bit of touch-ups before I go, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in Paris from Zara, because Zara International, y'all, Zara Europe, I'm obsessed with. I like Zara in America too, but like Europe Zara, I'm in love with. So Zara, if you see this, let's work. Since I'm back on YouTube, I'm like so down to do more brand deals, so any brand see this, hit me. First thing I got is this simple black tee, cotton, nice and soft, just a basic that I can wear literally forever, and It's black, perfect. I found this skirt, literally so beautiful, dainty. I just feel like it's so Paris vibes. It has like these cute strings. It's like this nice sheerish rayon, and then it has double layering. I'm also gonna get ready with you guys, so I'm gonna try some of this stuff on. I found this shirt, and it's this really nice tight cami. I feel like this is giving me Tank Air, but from Zara, and it's a nice cheap alternative. This was only $8, and I needed me a nice little white tank, so that's perfect. This shirt is one of my favorite things, and I think I'm gonna wear it today because it's hot, and it's this cute tube top with a flower. And I found this shirt, and it's like a little off the shoulder, one shoulder, cute little printed blue and brown. And I got another just red simple blouse, like I feel like for dinners, or like just to go with like even that skirt, something really cute, classy. Has buttons. As you guys know, right now is the Paris Olympics 2024, so I found this really cute little Paris shirt along with these cute Paris shorts, and I feel like this can go really cute also with my little flower top too. But I want to wear this to the Olympics. I'm trying to go. I'm gonna see if I can get myself a ticket, because I feel like it would be so cool to show on YouTube, and also like I'm here in Paris during that time, like I really should go. For the shorts, these little white ruffle bloomers, these are really cute. Yeah, this top is adorable. I could wear this. I also have this skirt from Free People. If I do wear this skirt, I only could wear my buffaloes. My Neva OGs know the buffaloes. I still love them. I never sold mine. I kept them because they're literally one of my favorite shoes, and I have so many memories in them. I've been to so many countries in them, and I just love them. I will literally probably give those to my kids. I feel like this is really cute, but God, this skirt is so long. Or should I wear these shorts? Oh my god, yes. I am gonna wear these. And then look. So I just remembered I made these cherry earrings in like 2018. They were inspired by this photo I saw while I was in Japan. And I'm gonna wear them because they go with like the red and the green vibe. So funny too, my siblings took a bite out of them when they were little. So there's like a little bite mark. Yes. Yes. Wear my chakra necklace. And actually wear my chakra necklace from Intuitive Adornments. And coin or angel. I feel like I should just wear this chakra necklace today. This angel necklace is so cute, and it's from my brand, angelmarette.com. I haven't even listed these yet, but my brand is coming back, my jewelry brand, so look forward to seeing some more jewelry videos. I actually want to do like a jewelry collection video and like show you guys some of the stuff that I have on my brand. So that is coming soon. And I love that my jewelry is very inexpensive and affordable, and I also do have real gold jewelry as well. So definitely check it out if you guys do decide to buy something. My mom has all my products and it's been shipping out for me, and my little sister. So if you guys do support, it will get shipped out by my mom. No look is ever complete without perfume. Speaking of my mom, this is my go-to everyday perfume. This is a Chemi by my mom, and my mom has also, I believe, 3 new perfumes. She has a Chemi too. She has Demi and Jonah, who are my siblings. Me and her haven't made our perfume yet because we've really been working on it, but it's definitely going to come out soon, hopefully this year. But I love a Chemi one, that's my favorite, and I love Demi's, that one's so good. And then Demi's has like a little bit of vanilla, and then Jonah's is the original formula as well, but with pineapple. It's so nice, and these perfumes are amazing. It's my go-to scent. It's not even a perfume, it's a scent, and it like mixes in with your oils and it just makes you smell amazing. Like everyone always like, you smell so good, and I'll be like, thank you. Is that a Chemi? But also like, I think it's a part of my DNA at this point. So y'all want to smell good, go to achemitailor.com. Also, I'm still a perfume fanatic. It's not just my mom's perfume. I need to take a perfume class while I'm in Paris. Oh my gosh. But this one, it's called Kira Kira, which is kind of crazy because that new song by Megan Thee Stallion, Kira Kira Watashi wa Star. This is one of my favorite perfumes I've had for a while, and this one has Ambroxan, Hetedyne, Solar Mint, Amberette Seed, Sake, Pear, Green Apple, Lily, Muguet, Timber, and Sandalwood. It smells so good, and it's Japanese. It just makes me, I can't even explain it. It smells so good. It doesn't smell girly, and it doesn't smell like flowers and stuff. It just smells like, It smells like, Last but not least, we're going to do a Dior touch-up of lipstick. And honey, we are ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys my look outside. I'm gonna do like a little lookbook for y'all, like back in the day. And let me know what you guys thought of this look. Let me know if you learned anything new. Let me know if you guys check out any of the brands I mentioned and stuff like that. And also make sure you guys check out my website, angelmarant.com, for more jewelry, fun stuff, clothes, all that. And check out my Depop. I'm going to be selling so much more of my clothes. My mom's also doing that for me as well. Shout out to her. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss, and keep up with me on Instagram and Snap. I've been documenting my life way more and showing you guys so much more stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, so much. I hope you guys are all doing well, and continue to pray, continue to take care of yourselves, to heal, to love yourselves, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.